So we're looking for bikes. There, one right there. Hey. SL 350. A couple of them here. Here's a whole bunch of freaking Hondas. All SLs. Nighthawk right there. See it? Oh yeah. There are bikes freaking everywhere in this place. This is a big place. Look how big this place is. So what do you want to work on, Justice? Oh yeah. There are some classics in here, dude. This is where you need to look, dude. Hey, Justice, don't forget your name while you're in here. Don't forget your name. Wow, check this crap out. Just as far as you can see. Look at this. Look at all these bikes, man. Just, you wonder where they're all hiding. This is where they are. Just as far as I can see. Look at that bad boy. Oh, wow. There's a 450 Honda. There's an old RD, see it way in the back. Yeah, what do we got here? Here's another 450. We should snag some of them 450s. What we got here? That's a KZ. These are all KZs. Tires, fucking headers. Look at all that crap. You need a front clip? Oh, check this back one. Look at this old gal, man. Yeah. Check that out, man. Check that bad boy. Yeah. Leave a comment below. Like it. Share it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.